Kano muonge bwambebi bwambere wabira kikiriro mdumzi wenkambeje abukoro kusibura abasirikare abiri nabana babiri bakora umuri Mountain Division umbarakse ya muhoti umurembo wa footpoto izuba rya nyuma abazyo
stabilizing the country and recently of course stabilizing the region, especially DRC. Forever issues that can never be forgotten, and they are going to be inscribed in the annals of history.
Kano umuonge atabarikiza abasirikare aba babiri baza kumara kandi yabasima abo birunji bakorera ihangeri okuruga bataha muringo nugo gumwe gwayihanangiriza abasirikare abahumwire emirimo y'ubusirikare okutaho oburyo burebeka ngo babasa gukora n'abantu abagiremo.
The many battles that you fought from the NRA time, LRA, and retiring when you're still fighting the ADF and other issues. The many risks that you have braved and the moments of course you have spent away from your families. We can only say asante sana.
Omwe ombahumwire izoba rya nyuma abazyo kandi uberi nakizayo okukora obwire burengwa warrant officer class 1 John Kayanja ushoborere ngo aberahiriza imyaka 20 umahege y'ihanga ukwiho mu mwaka gwa 1994 wagataha imyaka 13 yonka asimiro mu bibizi w'ihanga abo kwebembera gihanga hamwe n'amahe.
I've joined the National Resistance Army in 1984 as a 13 years old boy. I thank God I retire today at 53 years old.
Kayanja hayongere yasima abamakaga abasirikare bona aboguma barekaho amakagabo umbwire ubariko bana bahereza ihanga umuntaro zitari zimwe na zimwe.
We thank our families, especially our spirits for the support, including their day-to-day running of our homes when we served far from our homes, including outside of country for a long period of time.
We also wish to extend our gratitude to your families who are not here, some may be here, whose support where you have not been has been the cornerstone of your success, because without them you wouldn't settle down here.
Ibe bikiriyaho Kayanja ayigira abasirikare abakiriho mbuhereza ukora ubucweka ihembe kurebeka ngo Obusingye hamwe n'ibyo kwerinda mu ihanga byaguma biro.
The peace we have is not lost. We must stay in the peace within our country, fight for peace in the region and Africa at large as per the vision of our Commander-in-Chief.
Albert Ahabwa uruspeaker w'urukiko urukwebembera ururembo rwa footpoto asimira abasirikare abahumuziwe abemirimo mirungi bose rero bakora ihanga yayonzera yabehanagirizo kurinda Obusingye hombyaro bagiremo.
Ngenda kubashime mirimo bakozire kandi ikikuru muno kuterera kuko bandi bekere mufose yine discipline y'amani sazuno mubisana babasumura nimbaterera kuba abantu bengeso community tatina tinisiriza abantu kandi kutajya activities yezo kusobora kureta kutabanguka community rundi kutabaniza abantu
Kabarole nti balinde Obusingye keep law and order kandi niyonga kubasaba nti sente babahayi bazirete mu byaro baherera abana balengeho no korakoranize ibyaro.
Amukorogu abasirikare abahumuzi Abamahe bahirwe handiko birukoreka ko barga umahe umbutongore utiriho no kugira ngo umukorogu etabirumu abasirikare abende ngo zitari zimwe na zimwe utiriho nabebembezi abeby'ubutegetsi hamwe n'abanyabuzare ababantu abahumwire amahe makoraga gaja kwa Justin Nyakayiseki aba Sky TV agenshonga muri footpoto.